Hey, welcome to Learn to Draw. This is William Jiaming. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do something like this. So for example, wow, golden line. And so for example, if you like draw a circle and fill that with a color, whoa, a golden color. And of course, you can like choose any brush. So for example, say element. Let me give you some cloud. Ooh, golden cloud. And what about yeah, light? Okay, glimmer. Wow, and of course you can adjust. Everything is golden. Okay, how to do that? Pretty simple. I'm gonna show you how to do that by first delete. Okay. Previously we talked about how to use noise, and it's very powerful tool. Okay, so let me show you. So first I'm going to create a new layer, and I'm going to just drop some like a golden color. Okay, so for example something like this, you drop it, will be a very yellowish color, and then you can do something like this. So you can noise, and you can drag, and you will get this glittering sort of golden. Of course you can like make it bigger. That really depends on your style. So if you want like a very smallish fine-tuning golden, you can make it very small. In order for you guys to see clearly, I'm going to make it fairly big. Okay, and so you guys can see the result. So I'm going to increase the octave so it's much more fine-tuned, and the turbulence you can change that really depends on you. Okay, I'm going to make it like a 50. Okay, and then I'm going to make it smaller, because if you do something like this, it will work, but it will work depending on the style, of course. There is no restriction in art, I believe. Yeah, let's just try something like this. Okay, so once you've done that, you can just add a clipping mask above the empty layer here, and then you can choose whatever brush that you want to do. So for example, studio pen. Let's try studio pen. So you draw, you have that specific texture that you used on the clipping mask. And remember, on clipping mask you got some noise of a golden line, so you got like something like this. And of course you can fine tuning the noise. Okay, so you don't necessarily need to go like a way crazy than this. You just need to have some sort of noise. Maybe that's still too much. Have a fairly amount of scale, have some sort of octave so it's more glittery, and then you add a clipping mask, and then you can do something like this. So for example, if you got like a material elements, vintage, let me get some, yeah, flower. If you look here, we got some golden flower. Pretty cool, huh? And of course you can make it bigger, have some really nice golden flower, and of course you can then add some like a subtle background color, just click and drop. And yeah, this is a clipping mask, sorry. So you can have a really like a background color. Let me just choose this background color. Okay, so you guys can see things more clearly. Okay, yeah, that's all. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys think my video is helpful, do please give me a thumb up. Okay, thanks, bye.